guys, here are all the ingredients that I'm going to use for these strawberry biscuits. I'm using buttermilk, self-rising flour, strawberries, frozen salted butter, and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. For the icing, I'm using confectioner's sugar, strawberry flavoring, and whole milk. So let's get this ball rolling, y'all. All right, we're gonna start out with 2 cups of flour, and I'm making sure that it's leveled. And then we're just gonna pour that into the bowl to get started. Go ahead and add in your sugar now. And then you're going to just mix it around real good, incorporating the sugar into the flour. And let's get our frozen butter. Now my butter is frozen, and we're gonna pour that into the bowl. And then we're just gonna start getting that butter mashed into the flour mixture. All right, now that my butter is incorporated, I'm going to add in my buttermilk. And all the ingredients are going to be listed in the carousel below the video, so please check that out if you need to. All right, let's incorporate our buttermilk in our mixture very well. And we're just gonna kind of mix that around until it's pretty much crumbly and looks like this. And then we'll be ready to have the fun. The fun begins now. All right, here's where the magic starts. You want to make sure you have enough flour on your board so that the mixture won't stick, and get your hands floured up as well. And then it's time to lay that dough out and start rolling it out and getting those biscuits ready to go into the oven. Now that I've flattened my dough, I want to incorporate my strawberries, and I'm just gonna lay them on top of the dough, not stirring it into the dough. I like to lay it on top and then roll the dough and smash it into the strawberries. Yep, that's what I'm doing, smashing these strawberries into the dough. It's gonna be so good, y'all. Just wait and see. Trust the process, baby, trust the process. Now that I have it all flattened out, I'm flouring it again because we're going to be using a cookie cutter. If you don't have a cookie cutter, you can use a glass. Anything that's circular you can use. If you don't have that cookie cutter, don't worry about it. Don't go out and buy it. Improvise. All right, let's get this sprayed baking pan. I like to spray my pan. And then we're going to just go ahead and start cutting these bad boys out. putting them in the oven on a 425, and I'm going to cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now that they're in the oven, we're going to prepare our glaze. I have about a half a cup of powdered sugar and 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, and we're going to mix that in very well. You want to get a real smooth consistency. You don't want any lumps, so continue to stir it. If you need to thicken it, you can add more sugar. If you need to thin it out, you can add more milk. Now I'm adding in about 3 to 4 drops of the strawberry extract. If you wanted a deeper flavor of strawberry, you can add more of the extract. Do as you please. All right, now that the biscuits are ready, you go ahead and slather that delicious strawberry flavoring over each and every biscuit. And be generous when you do it. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Bye.